Hello, my name is Darren Thomas and I'm the Director of Educational Research Techniques. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at double inequalities and how they work within the context of algebra. So why don't we go ahead and begin. So double inequalities basically means, two inequalities working together for a specific purpose. So we're just going to solve one the old-fashioned way, and then we'll take a look at an actual word problem that deals with this as well. So let's see here. Here's our problem. So you got -8 is less than or equal to 6x minus 14 and is less than 16. So you can see here clearly we have two inequalities. We have the less than, and we also less than or equal to, and also less than again. And so to solve this problem, you simply do a basic steps that you would do to solve any linear equation. But with the caveat that whatever you do in the middle, right here, must be done to the right and also to the left. So, you guys know the first step we want to do is add 14. So we add 14, we add 14, and we add 14. Whatever we do in the middle, we do to the left, and we do to the right, etc. That leaves us with a new slightly modified version with now positive 6 is less than or equal to 6x. The 14 is canceled out, by the way. I'm sure you know that. And is less than 30. And now we divide, we divide all sides by 6 here. So divide by 6, divide by 6, divide by 6. Not that complicated. And that leaves us with a final problem of 1. 6 over 6 is 1. Is less than or equal to x, because again you can see the 6's cancel out here. And then of course 30 over 6 is going to be, let me fix that. It's going to be 5. This is how you do it. It's not that complicated, but this is kind of new if you've been following the videos. Now in the next screen we're going to take a look at how to solve an actual word problem that involves the same concepts. So here's the actual word problem right here, and you can see a cell phone company has a tiered usage system. The base plan starts at $50 plus, that should be an S, 0.005 cents for each text message. The bill for normal use is between $65 and $85. How many text messages can you send to stay in this tier? So this is our problem, and I'm going to show you how to set this up. So we know that we want to stay between $65 and we want to stay between $85. So this is going to be to the far left of our double inequality and to the far right. This is our range, our interval, if you will. So I'm going to put this right here, 65, and then we want it to be, less than that or equal to it is okay. And we also want it to go all the way to 85, because it's okay if we go below 65, because we're in the lowest tier, if you will. And then over here we want it to be less than or equal to 85. If we go beyond 85, that's when we really start having problems. Okay, so that's the first part. Now the base, or the starting point, is $50, and then we pay 0.055 cents for each text message. Now this is what we don't know. We want to know how many text messages. So this is going to be our variable, if you will. So we're going to do 50 plus 0.005, and I know it's hard to squeeze it in there. The X, sorry, not enough space there. Let me see if I can make this a little bit smaller for you. So squeeze it over here, 50 plus 0.005x. There we go. That's what we want. Now we're going to follow the same steps that we did last time. So you guys know what we did last time. We want to isolate the x. So the first step is to subtract 50 from all sides. We did this last time. There's nothing new here. And so we end up with 15. 60 minus 65 minus 50 is 15. It's less than or equal to 0.005x, and it's less than, so let's see here, 35. And now the next step, as you already know, this is just review, we just applied it to a word problem, is we divide all sides by 0.05. 0.005, divide by 0.005, divide by 0.005, like so. And that leaves us now with 15 divided by 0.005. That's a little complicated, but I can tell you the answer is 3,000 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 35 divided by 0.005 is 7,000. So you can send between 3,000 to 7,000 text messages in a given time period. This is probably per month, to stay within $65 to $85 on this particular cell phone company bill system. So this is how you do it. So in this particular video, we took a look at double inequalities and how you were able to solve them by taking whatever you do in the middle and applying it to the left and to the right. And then we also looked at how you can use this information to solve an actual word problem, where you want to try to keep your money within a certain range, or keep some sort of a value within a certain given range based on whatever constraints that you are applying to the particular problem. So my name is Darren Thomas. I am the Director of Educational Research Techniques. Thank you for watching. Take care.